Good morning, children. I warmly welcome all of you to our second session of numeracy. Children, do you all remember what did we learn yesterday? Yes, we learned number name 20. Now today we will revise number names from 1 to 20 and then we will write number name 20 in our notebook. So let's start our session. Number name 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. See here, 20 stars. 20 pieces of watermelon and 20 emojis. Now here in your numeracy notebook we will write number name 20. First we will write today's date. 21.1.21. After date, leave 2 boxes and write the heading. Capital N U M B E R. Number, then 1 finger space, again capital N A M E. Number, name. Leave 1 box, that is the whole line, and after that write 2 0 20 and a small dash. Here number name 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. Small t W E N T Y 20. Below 2 put 1 dot, that is you have to leave this box. Again write 2 0 20 dash T W E N T Y 20. Again 1 dot, that is leave the line and write 2 0 20 dash T W E N T Y. Two 0 20 dash T W E N T Y 20. 2 0 dash T W E N T Y 20. 2 0 dash T W E N T Y 20. T W E N T Y 20. T W E N T Y 20. So in this format, same way you have to write in your numeracy notebook. Children, now let us revise months of the year. January, January. February, February. March, April, April. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, in your numeracy notebook, we will write months of the year. So first, we will write today's date. 21.1.21. After date, leave 2 boxes and write the heading. Capital M O N T H S. Months, 1 finger space. O F, off, again 1 finger space. T H E, the, 1 finger space. Capital Y E A R, year. Months of the year. After heading, we have to leave this whole complete line, and on left side of margin write number 1. Number 1, first month of the year. It is January. Capital J A N U A R Y, January. Number 2, second month of the year, that is February. Capital F E B R U A R Y, February. Number 3, third month of the year, that is March. Capital M A R C H, March. Number 4, fourth month of the year, April. Capital A P R I L, April. Number 5, fifth month of the year, May. Capital M A Y, M-A-Y, May. Number 6, sixth month of the year, June. Capital J, U, N, E. June. Number 7, seventh month of the year, July. After June comes July. Capital J, U, L, Y. July. Number 8, after July, eighth month is August. Capital A, U, G, U, S, T. August. Number 9, ninth month of the year, September. Capital S, E, P, T, E, M, B, E, R. September. Number 10, 10th month of the year, that is October. Capital O, C, T, O, B, E, R. October. Number 11, 11th month of the year after October, yes, November. So, N, O, V, E, M, B, E, R. November. Number 12, that is last month of the year. 12th month is December. D, E, C, E, M, B, E, R. December. So in this way, you have to write months of the year in your notebook. Please note down your homework. Page number 82 in your numeracy homework book. You have to write months of the year. Children, I hope you liked our session. See you again with a new concept in our next session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.